tell us the impact story you shared about the Miya community and the Waci community?
Yes. SIL Nigeria and Sophia were two participants that came from Miya and Waci communities for the Arts for Better Future training here in SIL office here in Jos. And during the training, every community was to come out with an event that would address an issue in their communities. So the two of them sat together, since Miya and Waci are from the same location. They sat together and they come up with an event, a cultural event that will solve the problem of lack of unity among the traditional leaders and the church leaders. So Miya started their festival first, which we now went down to the community along with their language translation advisor. We went there and we observed the cultural event, which was massive, and it was glorious because people came out in mass. You can see from the pictures, the masquerade, the people that came out, they are excited. Muslims, Christians, and even traditional worshippers came out in mass. And that solved the problem of the lack of unity because church leaders were there and also traditional leaders were there. So they did that festival, which led to several other festivals. We have like two of them in different other villages that is happening now in Miya community. Then Sophia also did another festival in Waci community. And during that festival, people from the church came out and also the traditionalists. But after that event, there were questions coming up. Is the church trying to encourage traditional worship or what? Then it led to the culture meets scripture training. Now, what are those aspects of the culture that we want to accept, we want to reject, we want to modify, or we want to create something new? That's the essence of culture meets scripture. We use the scripture to address issues so that the church will have a voice, one voice to say, okay, these are our cultural practices, but this is how we want to do it, that it will not affect our faith. And that led together, both the Miya and the Waci community are going to have, for the first time, a concert, a gospel concert, that all the songs that will be ministered will be in their native language.